Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spoken character typing feedback on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So even if you have the iPhone 13 or 14 or 15 or 10 or 11, it's all going to work the same. Either you have the Pro or non-Pro, it is all going to work the same. So what you want to do is to go to the settings. So just click on the setting app. Then you want to swipe down to find accessibility. Click on this one. Then you want to go to the spoken content. And then you want to go to the typing feedback. Once you are here, as you can see, there are two options, the characters and character hint. So let's click on character. And once you click on this one, you are going to get a feedback of typing every letter. So A. I don't know if you can hear this. Let's make it a little bit louder. As you can see, now every time I press a letter, the iPhone speaks this specific letter instantly. But also, as you can see, if you turn on this feature, you have this character feedback delay, and you can type to how many milliseconds you want to have delay. So with a plus, you add 0.05 second to the delay. With a minus, you are going down by 0.05 seconds. So if you're going to make half a second to make that, here, as you can see, half a second later, after pressing the specific letter, you're going to get the feedback after. So if you want to have this feature, just do the same steps I'm going to do right now, the same as previously. So go to the settings, then go to the accessibility, then spoken content, then typing feedback. Once you're here, just make sure that the characters feedback is on. So now we have this feature on. To turn it off, just click on the button and it will turn off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!